Your finance teams handle hundreds of invoice payments a month, which makes them prime targets for cybercriminals. Here, the Tessian Cloud email security platform has flagged this email to Calvin in Finance, asking for an invoice payment. Further examination reveals that the sender's email had been impersonated, replacing the letter I in Darkhill Heath with the number 1. We can see there is an unusual display name and a fake use of RE reply in the subject line, even though it's the first email in the chain. Finally, there's suspicious intent as the sender is requesting updated payment details. Tessian utilizes behavioral intelligence to gain a deeper understanding of each internal and external relationship. It combines this with natural language processing and can quickly determine this is an impersonation attack and stop it from ever reaching Calvin's inbox, so he can carry on with his day. Click the link to find out more.